Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. So today's video is going to be really different. So today is going to be a talking video. We're going to talk, and we're going to be talking about different types of tools that you can use for your business just to help you guys grow your business. Today's video is going to be packed full with a lot of values for you guys to help your business grow. So I'm going to share with you guys different types of tool for making your tutus. I got a lot of questions on tools and all of that, and if you're based in the United States, I know for sure it is called Tulle, Tulle. But if you're based in another country, I'm not sure what it is called. Some people call it fishnet, some people call it just net, baby net. I've heard different terms from a lot of my subscribers. I'm not sure the right name for it. So if you're in a different country, they may have a different way they call it. So I'm not exactly 100% sure what it is called in your country. I feel like my lips is so dry. I'm gonna just put a little bit of chapstick so I don't be looking ashy here. So I'm not looking ashy on the camera. So but one thing I can share with you is the different types of tool, and so as to help you, so you can know how it look like when you sew a tutu and how it feels, and what my recommendation is on my, that's just gonna be my own opinion. Different types of tools. There is cotton tools. I know you're gonna be like, cotton? There's cotton tools, silk tools, polyester tool, nylon tool, English tool, Italian tool, French tool as well. There are the major tool that I'm going to be talking about is going to be the nylon tool and the polyester tool, which is what I always go for. I'm going to show you guys how they are, how they look like. So this is a polyester tool. You can see how it is. And I'm going to show you the nylon tool. This is a nylon tool. Let me grab it well. This is a nylon tool. This is a polyester tool. Can you guys see the difference just looking at it? So as you can see, polyester tool is standing firm. It is hard, like not hard, like 100% hard. It is like thick. It's not 100% soft. And this one is very soft, and it's as you can see, it's not like standing firm, it is falling, while this one is standing firm. So I'm gonna bring them closer so you guys can see the holes. Let me see this one hole. I gotta look closely, and this one I want to see how big they are. The polyester is just a little bit, maybe they're the same. It seems like it's just a little bit bigger. Can you guys see it? You see, it doesn't even show that there's a lot of holes. Like, it is the right size of amount of holes. Let me show you the nylon. Can you guys see this? It's really like, let me pull just one piece so you guys can really see it. This is a nylon tool. It is really soft, really soft. You can see that, and the feel, it feels good on the skin. And this other one, let me show you guys closely as well. You see that? And the feel, same feel, real talk. Let me feel put the both of them on my skin and see. Scrubbing the both of them on my skin, because people are like, I don't want it to be scratching the kid. It's not gonna itch no kid. They feel the same thing, like this. The feeling is the same thing. In my opinion, they don't feel like itchy. So because I had a friend that want to make tutu for her niece, and she was asking me if it's gonna scratch the baby. Like, no girl, it's not gonna scratch the baby. I get it. So So I'm just gonna show you how it look like as when made into a tutu. So you guys judge, be the judge. So I have two tutu here on my table. So can you guys tell which is which? So as you can tell, as you can see, this one here is a nylon tulle, and this one here is a polyester tulle. Can you guys see the difference? And for this one, you can tell that this one is a nylon tulle, the way it falls, and this one is a polyester, the way it falls, like the way it carries itself. I used 12 yards for this, and I used 12 yards for this. I think even this one was 10 yards, if I'm not mistaken. Cannot remember. Either 10 or 12. This is 10 yards actually, and this is 12 yards. Can you guys see it? So this one looks more fluffier, looks more Cinderella compared to this. This looks so regular, and this looks like something you can just buy from Walmart or whatever. But of course, this is gonna be looking, this looks better than Walmart or wherever you buy your tutu from. So which of them do you guys think you prefer? Of course, I know what is in your mind. You prefer this one. That's what I prefer too. This is the polyester. This is the nylon. So polyester comes out better, and it makes it looks more fluffy. I'm gonna show you another polyester, and I'm gonna show you another nylon. So this is another set of tutu. So this is a nylon, as you can tell, and this is a polyester. You can see the fluff with the polyester. It just fluffs itself without you even doing nothing. But for the nylon, you have to like fluff it and try to get it out. And sometimes you don't. You just don't fluff itself up because it just falls like this. I just got to know the difference lately. And I'm like, why is this other one so fluffy, and this other one is like not fluffy? And I started like trying to do more research on that. Went to the store, look at them, feel them, and I realized the one that says polyester on it, the label polyester, was the one that had the hard texture. Not super hard, but it's way better. It's something that any kid can deal with. So you guys already know what my first choice is gonna be. Of course, it's gonna be the polyester, because tutu is all about looking fluffy. So if your tutu is not looking fluffy, if it looks like this, it's just gonna look regular. You're gonna look regular in the market. You want it to look like this, because this will give them the ballerina Cinderella look. So that's what I want for my tutu. In my opinion, this is the best. And this the tulle, in my opinion, the polyester is the best for tutu, at least. But you guys don't have to go for polyester. You can go for whatever you want, but in my opinion, this is what I like, and this is what I will always go for. Now that I know, I'm gonna always go for polyester. I got some other ones, and I got some nylons. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'll have to use them. So, but going forward, polyester is what I'm gonna be going for. And I was thinking that going for more tulle is gonna give you more fluff. It is not more tulle that gives you the fluff. It is the polyester that gives you the fluff. This is 12 yards. I don't get the fluff that I want. This is 10 yards. I got the fluff. And even if this was 12 yards, I am getting the fluff. So let's put one and one together and tell me what you think. Put that in the comment section, y'all. But anyways, you guys understand what I mean. You guys understand exactly what I mean by all of this. You guys already got what I'm talking about. Polyester is the best tool to go for when you're making tutu. But anyways, so on my next video, I am gonna be sharing with you guys all the sites where you can find all wholesale items for your business, for your t-shirts, your tutu business, for everything. Like, it's gonna be a very detailed video. It's gonna be packed full of information, valuable information, so don't miss out on that video. I'm gonna be literally sharing my screen so that you guys can see it on my screen rather than me just saying it out loud, because I'm a visual person. I gotta see for me to understand what you're talking about. And I'm gonna be sharing numbers, helping you guys with your numbers, and making things making sure things make sense for you. And also, for those of you that have just t-shirt business, I will share the sites where you can find them for good amounts, quality t-shirts, and also kids t-shirts, quality. I'm gonna share my screen like I told you guys, and also of course the tutu that everybody love. I'm gonna share all the sites where you can find all of that. So that is gonna be a jam-packed full video. It's gonna be full of a lot of valuable information for you guys, so you don't want to miss on that. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video so that I know you like content like this, so I can keep it pushing. I can be dropping things like this, not just making tutu and all of that, because you guys already get the concept on how to make tutu now. So I don't have to be dropping videos on just tutu. I want to be able to help you guys grow your business as well, not just making tutu for you guys to watch me. So if that sounds something that you like, give me thumbs up so that I can know, so that will boost me to get that video ready for you guys. So I know printing on t-shirts is really a struggle for a lot of us. It is a struggle for me, at least I know that for sure. So I am trying different routes, and I'm going to be sharing all those routes, all the ways you can print on a t-shirt, so we can finally get to something that is going to be profitable for us, and it's not gonna cost us a lot. We are gonna make profit. Business owners, all we want is a profit, not just to be making stuff and not making profit off of it. So I'm gonna be sharing a lot on the next video, so you guys watch out for that video. I'm gonna kind of I'm not gonna be sharing a lot of videos on how to make tutus, because you guys get the scope, the concept already. If you guys still want those kind of videos, let me know. I will shoot it out, but I don't want to have to be wasting your time showing you how I make tutu, because you guys already get it. Except I have a new concept on how to make tutu, then I will share with you guys. But if it's the same concept, I'm not gonna want to keep you guys watching the same thing. So don't miss out on all of these goodies that's going to be coming on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, a lot of people have been watching my videos and they're not subscribed. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you haven't subscribed yet. If you haven't hit that yet as a subscriber, you want to do that, because that way you can know each time I post a video. I want to be posting things that are valuable for you guys, that's going to help your business grow, and I want to be able to help my business grow as well. So you guys you're gonna be seeing my behind the scene. That way you guys can see all the faults, all my mistakes, my errors, and all the corrections that I make, so that you don't make the same mistakes. So go ahead and support your girl by subscribing. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's always make it happen. Bye.